before then.
Government officials from the Ministry of Tourism and Conservation have expressed optimism of up to 3 million visitors this season with the start of the spectacular wildebeest migration across the Mara River. Speaking during the tree planting session in Authoritative Girls National School in Narok Town, the Director General of Tourism Regulatory Authority, Norbert Talam, noted that the upward trend is encouraging, adding that the future of tourism lies with schools, which he urged to join in conservation efforts through tree planting so as to attain the targeted 15 billion trees by 2030.
As a country, we have a target of 3 million tourists this year. As at end of June, we had already received 1 million and a figure of 1.1 million tourists. And we are very hopeful. We have seen the tourism sector is becoming very busy as we start this high season. The hotel bookings are very on upward trend, and we are hopeful that even going forward, in the next 2, 3, 4 years, we should be receiving 5 million international arrivals into the country. And that will be a very good boost to our economy, and is going to be a very good boost to our forex.
As a country, we need to conserve the Mau. We need to conserve the larger ecosystem that supplies water to the river, because without that water, then we will not be able to have the wildebeest migration that all of us have come to actually watch.